So let's start with this. This is of 2021 question paper, previous year question paper, December session. Okay, last time we solved 2021 paper of Feb. Okay, solvent of this one. Okay, I'll show you one time which question paper we are solving. Okay, December 2021. Okay, let's start solving this. Which one of the following is an example of man-made environment? Okay, in the textbook it is showing crop fields. Sometimes it is orchards. Mostly it is crop fields. Okay. Okay, let's see. Who coined the term possibilism? It's in your first to second chapters. Okay, it is Lucien Febvre. Okay, check it in your textbook. It's there in your textbook. So we'll go to next question. Which one of the following is not one of the 7 sustainable development goals? It is life on air. Life on air is not mentioned. Okay, next one we have holding meeting in a remote location to minimize public participation is an example of in a remote location. Maybe it is geographical inequality, but it is mostly procedure inequality, but we'll check it once. Okay, which of the following views towards nature was proposed as an alternative to patriarchal system of domination? Okay, this time's question paper is difficult. It is ecofeminism. Okay, so ecofeminism. These are important questions which are difficult. Okay, next one is the main center of ENVIS is located at Delhi. Okay, Delhi. It's in page 285, I guess. Primary consumers are, you should know, it is always herbivores. Okay, primary who consume plants are called as herbivores. Simple. Next one is the following components dash sulfurization, water, acid, and fossil fuels are a part of the which cycle? Is it of water cycle or sedimentary cycle or nitrogen cycle or carbon cycle? This one is actually a difficult question. It is sedimentary cycle. Okay, once check it in your textbook. Next one is in ecological succession, the final stage is termed as. You should go and study the topic in your textbook, which is ecological succession. The final term is known as final stage. It is known as I think it's known as climax community, but it's talking about stage. So ecological section topic. Okay, let me check what is the answer of this, because it's consuming also, like in stage, mall stage. I think it's climax community, but it's talking about stage. So the answer would be the answer is climax community. Yeah, I knew the answer is in climax community, but it was asking about stage and tried to confuse us, because there's nothing like in stage, mall stage, settled stage. Okay, it should be climax community. Okay, next one. In an ecosystem, energy is lost in the form of heat energy. So in ecosystem, energy is lost by heat energy itself. Okay. At global level, the region most prone to natural calamities is Asia. Okay, it's Asia. Okay, among the following factories, which is not the Taj trampoline zone? Okay, this is actually a very tricky question, but the answer is the third one. Okay, which is Mathura sugar factory. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, Silent Valley is a narrow valley of the Dash River. Okay, it is of Kunti River. These and all are important topics. Okay, In the world population around 800 BC was approximately, in 800 BC what was the population? Okay, it was 5 million. Next one we have the temperature deciduous forest have. We have to go and learn about the temperature deciduous forest. Okay, this might be tricky, you may not know the answer, and the answer which I'm giving you have to by heart is deciduous. So I think the answer to this, we have to check the textbook. I think the shrubs with a height of, no, the answer is trees of 40 to 50 meter height with thin broad leaves. Okay, by heart this answer because it's difficult. Next question, in India teak and bamboo are common in, it was in your textbook, teak and bamboo are common in tropical seasonal forest. Okay, it's in page number 47. Okay, next one we have, in India grassland ecosystem the biomass peaks in the period between September to October. Okay, depends on the questions. The second question part is like difficult, they're asking very tough questions. The example of lotic freshwater system is lotic and lentic. I'll explain what is lotic and lentic first. Lotic, lotic, take an example of a lota. Okay, but it is actually opposite of it. Lota has still water, so lentic has still water, okay, standing water, and lotic has flowing water. Simple, easy to understand. Okay, so let's see this options, and we will say river. Okay, it is the flowing, lentic, still water. Okay, this is lentic. Pool, lake also is lentic. Swamp and river, the answer should be river. Yeah, the answer is river. Okay, so let's answer river. Okay, next we'll solve this fast. Bird. Insecticides, particularly DDT, lead to reduction of population of marine fish. Okay, sometimes questions are very difficult in few papers. Okay, let's go to the next question. Readily rehabilitation of great Indian rhinoceros and hampered because it was hampered because of a disease. Okay, and a disease. The problem of invasive species is likely to increase due to climate change. Okay, alien species which is known to cause skin allergies is this one, third one. It's in your textbook. It has a different name also, easy name. I'll give you the easy name also. Sometimes the easy name is also there. Yeah, it is called Congress weed. This is called Congress weed. Okay, I'll write it down. Okay, it's also called Congress weed, which gives skin allergies. Next one we have, which one of the following is not a criterion of designation of biodiversity hotspot? First we'll see what is the criterion. Which is not criterion, we can easily find out the answer. Okay, species richness, yes. Biodiversity, yes. We don't know what is the meaning of this, so let's leave it. Accelerator species loss, yes. There is species loss lesser. Interspecific competition, I think this one is the answer. Okay, but once you check it in your textbook, this one only is the answer. Next one we have, biodiversity of a geographical region represents. The answer is fourth one. Okay, diversity of living nature. Next one we have, Which one of the following animal is found only in Western Ghats? Okay, important question. Okay, it is this page. It's called Malabar grey hornbill. Okay, next question we have: the main source of water for lakes and rivers is runoff. Okay, because the water which runs off. Okay, the main source for lakes and rivers, it runoffs, and it's come because of runoff, not because of rainfall, transpiration, or sublimation. Okay. Okay, let's see, true or false. This is true or false. So let's complete this fast. True or false? Which of the following is not true? It's not true, because it's just which is not following for red soil. Okay, which is not true. That is this one. It is good for crops of cotton, rice, and ground. No, it's not good for that. Okay, it supports the rainforest in grassland. It's found in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it's used in cultivation of potatoes, rubbers, and bananas, not cotton, rice, and groundnuts. Okay, this is a important question. Keep in your mind. Okay, and aquifer is what is an aquifer? You can find it in your textbook. A few question papers are really difficult. You can see. The answer is aquifer, a layer of rock through which water percolates down. Okay. Next question: the most effective treatment of alkaline soil is to apply gypsum. Okay, I think you have to check page 89 for this. Gypsum. Whenever you hear treatment for alkaline soil, the answer will be gypsum. Okay. Next one we have: from which of the following types of sources can energy be harnessed using photovoltaic cell? I have learned this recently and have wrote it in my notes, so let me check it. Okay, it is talking about photovoltaic cell. Okay, solar energy. Okay, solar energy is used with the help of photovoltaic cells. So here it is given wind thermal, because it's used in two things. One in solar energy and one more SPV. I think sun should be the answer. Yeah, so the answer is sun, because it's for solar. Solar is because of sun, right? That's why. Just the answer. Sometimes it will be confusing, but the answer, it will be, if you just concentrate on it, you'll know the answer. It can be in different words. Okay. The first wave tidal energy plant was established in India. This is important. It is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. The largest coal production country in the world is China. I think it's China, but we'll check it in a textbook also once. Let's check it. It is China, because first is China, then it is the United States, then it is India. Okay, it is like this: number 1, number 2, number 3, because I've learned this today itself from the textbook. Next question: the maximum population that can be supported by the resource of the planet at a given level of technology. Maximum population. We have solved this same type of question, but not same, but the answer was biophysical. Okay, the answer is biophysical, because when we solved the previous year one more question paper, right, February question paper, it was there, and this was dash, so we selected maximum population. Now they have given this one, but they are asking which one is of this, so it is first option. Okay, it is a biophysical capacity. Next, let's see: among the following, which one of the major contributors to greenhouse effect? Here there is no chlorofluorocarbon or any other thing, so greenhouse effect, which will be the answer? It will be water vapor. Okay, water vapor. This is this one. Okay, easy B. Important question, mark it down. Okay, which one of the following statements is correct for ultraviolet radiation? UVB, okay, is absorbed in the ozone layer. This is the correct one, because this and all are wrong. It's not dangerous, it's not absorbed by ozone layer. No, UV is not absorbed. C, the answer is correct, second one only. Just you have to concentrate on the question, then you'll know the answer. Okay, so let's continue. Which one of the following can cause skin cancer and contracts in human? Of course, UV radiation. Of course, it is UV radiation. It's in your textbook, it's everywhere. You must know about it. Next one. Which one of the following is a secondary pollutant? Secondary. So, secondary means, what could it be? It is ozone. Okay. Primary is, we have to check once what is the primary. Once check what is primary, okay, because the question can come of which is primary also. Okay, secondary means it's ozone itself. The standard level of RSPM is this one. Okay, first one, 60 micrograms per cubic meter. Okay, next one, the Kyoto Protocol details with the environmental issue of, you should know this, it is greenhouse gas emission. Okay, hotspot are regions of high this one, endemism. Okay, so last page, let's solve. More 2 pages left. What is the main aim of the amendment of 1985 of air pollution? Okay, you can find this in page 230. Amendment of 1987 for prevention and control of pollution. It is to enable an integrated approach to environmental problems. Okay, the last chapters are a little bit difficult and important also. Okay, the Forest Conservation Act was enacted in the year 1980. Okay, next one, which convention took up the protection of ozone layer? It is Vienna Convention. Okay, next one we have, which one of the following is generally not recyclable waste? Okay, medical waste, because we have to burn it, we cannot recycle it, we have to burn it. Inclination, we have to do inclination. Next one we have, which one of the following is not a method of waste minimization? Okay, it is not the method. I think we cannot treat waste. Someone is asking treatment of waste, but I have confusion in this. Please one time kindly check Google and your textbook, then you answer this question. Okay, next we'll go to the last page and the video is over. Okay, which one of the following is not a method of disposal of hazardous waste? So first we have to concentrate on this hazardous waste. First we'll see which is the way: underground disposal, dumping at sea, inclination, sanitary landfills. So which is not a method of this hazardous waste? This is not a method. This is actually confusing. So the answer people are giving, the YouTube one, they are still telling it is sanitary landfills, but once you have to recheck this in your textbook. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Which one of the following is not correct in context of biodiversity in India? Okay, this one is not correct. India has 6 biodiversity hotspots because it has 4. It's in your textbook. Okay, so this is wrong. 48th question. Which one of the following does not represent ecological significance of forest? It is providing aesthetic and spiritual value. It is not ecological significance, it is social significance. Okay, it's not ecological. We have ecological system supporting natural moderation of climate, protection of diversity, because it is ecological. It is asking which is not. This is social. Okay, so this is the answer. Next one is have which one of the following is not included in the category of non-timber forest products? Non-timber forest products. Okay, the answer will be timber. Just concentrate on this question, okay, and the options. You'll find the answer very easily. If you don't know the answer also, I'll explain. Just timber forest means plant, right? Plant, tree. So medical herbs, it's from tree. Edible flowers, it's from trees. Edible fruits, we get it from plants and trees. Animals, see, it's not a timber from forest. Of course it will be the third option. Okay, easy to guess if you don't know. So we have reached the final part of our video of this question paper. Let's solve it and end this video. Joint forest management was firstly implemented in the state of West Bengal. Okay, important question, West Bengal.